Purposeful arrangement of parts cannot arise by random chance, a case for intelligent design. Purposeful arrangements of parts, a hallmark of design, cannot arise by random chance. This principle asserts that whenever we encounter a system composed of interdependent parts that work together to achieve a specific function, we are witnessing the product of intelligent causation, not random processes. Whether in biological systems, human-made machines, or hypothetical extraterrestrial technologies, the purposeful arrangement of parts is a clear indicator of design. Here, I will explore the reasons why purposeful arrangement of parts cannot arise by random chance. By analyzing examples from nature, engineering, and theoretical scenarios involving extraterrestrial intelligence, I will show that the complexity, specificity, and functionality inherent in these systems require intentional design by an intelligent mind. 1. Understanding purposeful arrangement of parts. A purposeful arrangement of parts refers to a system where multiple components are arranged in such a way that they work together to achieve a specific goal or function. This arrangement is characterized by complexity. The system involves multiple parts that are interdependent, meaning that the removal or alteration of one part would disrupt the entire system. Specificity. The parts are arranged in a precise manner, such that they fit together perfectly to fulfill their intended purpose. Functionality. The system performs a specific function, whether it be biological, mechanical, or informational. These characteristics distinguish purposeful arrangements from random or chaotic structures. Purposeful systems are finely tuned for a specific goal, such as the movement of a bacterial flagellum, the operation of a computer, or the transmission of a signal. The key question is, can such complexity and functionality arise by chance? 2. The problem of random chance. Random chance refers to unguided, unintentional processes, such as those that occur in nature without any direction or purpose. Proponents of naturalism often claim that complex systems can arise through the accumulation of random events, such as mutations in biology or the chance assembly of molecules. However, when we examine the evidence, it becomes clear that random processes are not capable of producing the kind of ordered, purposeful complexity we observe in designed systems. A. The improbability of random assemblies. The odds of random processes producing a functional, interdependent system are astronomically low. Consider the analogy of assembling a watch by shaking a box of parts. The watch consists of gears, springs, hands, and a face, all of which must be arranged precisely for the watch to function. If we were to place these parts in a box and shake it, the probability of the watch coming together by chance is effectively zero. The complexity of the system demands careful planning and assembly by an intelligent mind. In the same way, biological systems, mechanical devices, and digital codes are composed of many interdependent parts that must be arranged in a specific order to function. The idea that such systems could arise by random chance is not only improbable but also scientifically and philosophically unsound. B. The principle of specified complexity. Another key reason why purposeful arrangement cannot arise by chance is the concept of specified complexity. Complex systems that also exhibit specificity, where the arrangement of parts follows a distinct pattern or serves a clear function, cannot be the result of random processes. This principle is central to the argument for intelligent design. For example, DNA is not just a complex molecule, it is also specified in that it carries detailed instructions for building proteins and governing biological processes. The sequences of nucleotides in DNA are highly specific, and the odds of such sequences arising by chance are effectively zero. The combination of complexity and specification indicates design. The same principle applies to human-made systems, such as computers or machines, where the arrangement of parts is purposeful and directed toward achieving a goal. 3. Examples of purposeful arrangement in biological systems. Biological systems provide some of the most compelling evidence for purposeful arrangement of parts. These systems are composed of molecular machines and structures that exhibit both complexity and functionality, strongly suggesting design rather than random chance. A. The bacterial flagellum. The bacterial flagellum is often cited as an example of irreducible complexity, a system in which all parts are essential for the system to function. The flagellum is a rotary motor that allows bacteria to swim, and it is composed of multiple interdependent parts, including a rotor, stator, and a filament. If any one of these parts were missing, the flagellum would cease to function. The idea that such a system could arise by random mutations is implausible. Each part is necessary for the system's overall function, meaning that the flagellum had to be fully formed from the beginning. The only reasonable explanation for such a system is intelligent design. The parts are purposefully arranged to achieve a specific function, movement, demonstrating the work of a designer. B. The human eye. The human eye is another example of a system where multiple parts must work together to achieve a specific function, vision. The lens, retina, cornea, and optic nerve are all intricately arranged to focus light, process visual information, and transmit signals to the brain. If any of these components were missing or malfunctioning, the eye would not function properly. The eye's complexity and functionality make it highly unlikely that it evolved gradually through random mutations. Each part is essential for vision, and the precise arrangement of these parts suggests that the system was designed by an intelligent mind. 4. Examples of purposeful arrangement in human-made systems. Human-made systems also demonstrate the principle that purposeful arrangement of parts cannot arise by random chance. From mechanical devices to digital technologies, complex systems are always the product of intelligent design. A. The airplane. An airplane is a prime example of a system that requires the purposeful arrangement of parts to function. The wings, engines, fuselage, landing gear, and cockpit are all arranged to achieve the goal of flight. The parts are not randomly assembled, they are specifically designed and placed to maximize aerodynamics, stability, and control. If we were to disassemble an airplane and scatter its parts randomly, the chances of those parts reassembling into a functional airplane by chance are effectively zero. The complexity of the system and its clear purpose, flight, demonstrate that it was designed by intelligent human engineers. B. The computer. A computer consists of a network of components, processors, memory chips, power supplies, and storage devices, all arranged to process and store information. The parts are intricately connected to enable data transmission, computation, and user interaction. The idea that such a complex system could be assembled by random processes is absurd. The purposeful arrangement of parts in a computer reflects the careful design and planning of intelligent minds. Computers do not come into being through random chance, they are the product of human ingenuity and design. 5. Hypothetical discovery of purposeful arrangement in extraterrestrial systems. Now, consider a hypothetical scenario in which we discover a spacecraft or technological artifact from another star system. How would we recognize that it was the product of non-human intelligent design? Complexity. The spacecraft is composed of multiple parts, propulsion systems, navigation systems, and communication devices that are highly complex and interdependent. Each part is essential for the operation of the whole, and the arrangement of these parts allows the spacecraft to travel across interstellar distances. Specification. The parts are arranged in a precise manner, following specific design principles. The spacecraft's components are not randomly placed. They are specifically designed and positioned to achieve the goal of space travel. Functionality. The spacecraft is fully functional, able to navigate, generate energy, and communicate with distant locations. The arrangement of its parts is clearly directed toward fulfilling these functions. In such a scenario, the combination of complexity, specification, and functionality would lead us to conclude that the spacecraft was designed by an intelligent mind. The idea that such a system could arise by random chance is not credible. Instead, the purposeful arrangement of parts would be unmistakable evidence of non-human intelligent design. Conclusion. Purposeful arrangement of parts requires intelligent design. The principle that purposeful arrangement of parts cannot arise by random chance is grounded in both empirical evidence and logical reasoning. Whether in biological systems like the bacterial flagellum or human-made machines like airplanes and computers, the combination of complexity, specificity, and functionality points unmistakably to intelligent design. Random processes do not produce systems where multiple interdependent parts work together to achieve a specific function. Instead, such systems require careful planning, design, and assembly by an intelligent mind. The purposeful arrangement of parts in the natural world and in human technology reflects the work of a creator who designed the universe with order, purpose, and function. If we were to discover similar systems in extraterrestrial technologies or biological systems, we would likewise infer the presence of non-human intelligence. In all cases, the evidence overwhelmingly supports the conclusion that purposeful arrangement is the product of design, not chance. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.